Hello everyone. Today we're comparing two popular dashcams, the compact Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 and the feature-rich Vantrue N4. So which one is right for you? So first up, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. So as the name suggests, this thing is tiny. It's super discreet, easily mounts to your windshield, and offers a clear 1080p video recording. It also has a voice control, which is handy for hands-free operation. Now, the Mini 2 integrates nicely with the Garmin Drive app for easy video access and sharing. However, it lacks some advanced features like night vision and parking mode, which relies on your phone for GPS data. Now, let's look at the Vantrue N4. So this dashcam is a triple threat recording in front, inside, and behind your vehicle and up to 1440p resolution. So it boasts an excellent night vision, a dedicated parking mode, and a built-in GPS. So the N4's robust features makes it a great choice for comprehensive coverage. However, it's bulkier than the Mini 2 and might be more noticeable in your car. So which one wins this challenge? So choose the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 if you want a discreet and easy to use dashcam which prioritize voice control and don't need any of the advanced features of the Vantrue N4. Now, if you want a more comprehensive coverage with the front, interior, and rear recording, which also prioritize excellent night vision and parking mode with a built-in GPS, then I suggest you go with the Vantrue N4. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs and your budget. So you just need to consider what's most important to you. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Let us know which dashcam you prefer in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparison reviews.